How was coal formed? Coal, a commonly used fuel, is obtained from the coal mines. These mines are many miles wide and the coal is found in thick, flat layers. The thickness of these layers varies from a few centimeters to a few meters. Thousands of laborers and engineers equipped with machines work in these mines round the clock. Do you know how the coal was formed? Coal formation first began some 250 million years ago in an age called Carboniferous periods. During that period our earth had many swamps. Fast-growing plants and giant tree ferns grew in them. In time they died and fell into the quiet swamp water. They did not completely rot away because enough air was not available there. Bacteria changed the tree parts into a slimy material called peat. Over the centuries, this peat was compressed by mud and sand. The peat beds were first turned into lignite by heat and pressure of the earth layers, then finally into the hard coal. In this way coal was formed in many layers inside the earth. Today we have to dig to great depths to obtain it. This theory about the coal formation is based on the fact that ferns' impressions are found within the coal. Sometimes patterns of bark are also seen on it, which again proves that it is formed from the remains of trees, plants and shrubs millions of years ago. Coal mining is a very difficult job. First of all, the dirt above the coal deposit is removed. When the coal is exposed, explosives are used to break it into smaller pieces. Practically all of it has to be mined through machines and explosives. The coal thus removed is loaded into a wagon and lifted to the surface. The miners enter and leave the mine by an elevator through a vertical space called shaft. Coal mines catch fire easily. When a mine catches fire, it is very difficult to extinguish it. Hence, that portion of the mine is isolated from the rest to prevent the. In our country, coal mines exist in Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Orissa, Assam, Jammu, Madhya Pradesh, etc. About 3 billion tons of coal is mined every year in the whole world. In India, only about 100 million tons of coal is mined.